And we're still in Cayuga looking at the height of the river. And it's looking pretty high right now. And we can see that the water has come up to this area. And it's still got a couple more inches to go till it reaches this particular road. But as you can see, it's pretty high right there. It's the old boat launching pad. And as you go straight, we can see the overflow. Here's the overflow, the trailer camp. Don't know if it's too late to move some of these boats, but as you can see, the water already has reached this area. And it's rising still. And as we go through the water, we can see further incursions. Oh wow, look at this over there. Wow, covered by water. All of these areas totally covered by water. That's a street down there. And as we can see, it's pretty well covered through to that area.